No laptop? No problem. You can start coding right on your phone. In this video, I'll show you how apps can turn your phone into a mini coding machine step by step from download to writing your first code. First up is Spck editor. You can find it on your Play Store. Just search Spck editor and tap install. Once it's done, open it, and this is your interface. Click here to create new file or here to create new folder. On the left is the files panel where all of the folders of files you have created live. Editor area where you write your code. A run button in the upper right corner to preview your project. Then also settings. Here you can adjust color, the font size, etc. Write your first code. Click on index.html. Tap slightly beside it to access the editor area. Type your code. Then after, click on the green play button in the upper right corner to preview your code, and boom, you have created your first website on your phone. Next is Acode. It's a full project editor with live preview. It's perfect if you want more control and a powerful coding environment. Think of it like VS Code but made for your phone. How to use it? Download Acode from your Play Store. Then after, open your phone's file manager and create a new folder. Name it something like My First Website and save it. After, go back to Acode on your phone and open it. Tap the pen icon at the top right and rename the default file to index.html. Then click OK. Tap three dots in the top right corner. Select Save As, then select Folder. Choose your file manager, for example, My Files, but mine on my phone is Galaxy A06. Find the folder you created. Open it, tap OK. When asked, type index.html again and press OK. That is it. Your folder and HTML file are now linked. Repeat the same steps to create and link style.scss for designing your project and script.js for JavaScript. Now you are free to start writing code and reviewing your project with Acode. Another one is pyroid 3. It helps you write, run, and test Python scripts directly from your phone. No setup needed, no installation, just code and run. How to use it? Go to the Play Store, search pyroid 3 and install. Open up, choose what you want to learn, IGI Python, tap continue. Pick your level, IGI beginner, intermediate, etc. Continue. Choose type of programs you will run. Continue. Ignore all this and continue. Skip the extra setup about choosing payment and all that by clicking the close button at the top. In the editor area, type your Python code and hit run to see the result. Boom! You've just written your first Python program all from your phone. The fourth one is TrebEdit. It's free, clear, and beginner friendly. It lets you write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and instantly preview your website and how it looks like in the browser. How to use it? Go to the Play Store and install, open it, tap next till you finish, and this is what you will see. You have four main options. 1. Learn to code. This gives you lessons for beginners directly from the W3 School's website. 2 is Get Source Code. Lets you explore ready-made projects. 3. Workspace. It's where you create and manage your own website files. And 4th, it's the text editor. This is where you actually write your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. For step-by-step lessons, follow at Learn to Code on phone, where I teach you how to code using just your smartphone.